Welcome to the LeadGrab by Informa tutorial video. We will guide you how to use LeadGrab to scan, organize, and export your visitor leads at Informa Markets exhibitions in Asia. LeadGrab is a simple tool for exhibitors to collect visitor details quickly by scanning their badge QR codes with your smartphone. All your scanned data is synced to your account for you to export into an Excel spreadsheet. First, let's make sure you and your team have access to log in the LeadGrab mobile app. Go to the Online Exhibitor Manual or OEM, log in, and navigate to the LeadGrab Exhibitor portal from the top Manuals or Exhibition Info menu. Click Login to visit your LeadGrab portal account. In the LeadGrab Exhibitor portal, go to Manage Team Users and click Add New Users to allow your team to log in the mobile app. They will receive an email containing their login credentials. You can also activate or deactivate users at any time. Next, download the mobile app from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. LeadGrab is also available on WeChat Mini Program. Use the password sent to your email to log in the app. When a visitor comes to your booth, open the LeadGrab app and scan the QR code displayed on the visitor's badge. All the important information about your visitor will instantly appear on the app, including their name, company, job title, phone number, and email address. To help you organize your leads for better follow-up planning, you can type your own notes and assign relevant tags to qualify leads on the spot. Once you're done, just tap Save, and your scanned visitor will appear on your dashboard. To export all your scanned data, you have to visit the LeadGrab Exhibitor portal, as shown earlier. Go to the Lead Reports section on the left-hand side menu panel to see all your lead data. Click Download All to export all data to Excel, or filter by tags to download specific leads. And that's it! If you have questions or need support, contact us at leadgrabinforma.com.